Did you get one?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
You try it, Macy?
I want you to sit down so you don't make a mess.
Here, try it.
Everybody else's.
Ah.
Dad ate my chocolate one from your birthday.
It's like
Here.
Oh, what?
Hey,
cream
give
instead
that.
of that sugary sweet
Dad, what's on the
frosting.
face? Mom never knows. Stuff's all over her face.
Whoa.
You want to try it, Macy?
Wait a minute. That one's chocolate.
Whoa. Oh, yummy. Oh, yeah, there's some chocolate and some vanilla. Oh, my gosh. Let me see. You're funny.
Molly, how could you be so nasty?
Are you trying it, Macy? Oh, yum.
Yummy, yummy, isn't it?
You might just be too dainty. You might just be too dainty to get stuff all over you. Do you like it?
Just that pointer finger.
Is it good? Yeah.
Explorer finger. You need a napkin, Molly. Oh, you like to be
Take a picture of me.
Okay, I'm gonna watch Macy. See, we have a video, so I only have one camera. So I will though.
That's fine. We've got
Before you
pictures of
clean
her.
up, we'll take a picture. Hold on. We'll see if Macy will take a few more. See if you get your whole
They
hand.
don't get taking pictures of them enough.
Hand in there, Macy.
Yeah, there's not any pictures of Tanner being messy.
No. They're pretty pictures to
That's
try.
pretty
This
good.
will be the first one.
Whoa, that's a big handful. You think she's getting into it now?
She's gotta get messy.
You know, I probably should put something underneath her.
Stop it.
Hey, honey, you want to get a couple of towels to put underneath here? Okay, just like a dry towel. Whoa.
It looks like Macy's all covered in
Oh, is she
it.
liking it now?
Yeah.
Whoa, she's going
Take
to
a picture of
town.
me now.
Okay, hold on.
Honey, patience, please. It's not your birthday.
She's going to town with that thing.
Everybody likes sugar.
Say happy birthday, Macy.
Happy birthday, Macy.
With your beard.
Patty cake. Yeah, that's right.
Yay! Whoa. Okay, who else wants to say happy birthday?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Macy.
Happy birthday, Macy.
Travis,
Happy birthday, Macy.
all right, where's Molly? Did she get cleaned up already? Whoa.
Hurry up.
Good.
You have to come say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Okay.
Daddy didn't say happy birthday.
Happy birthday. We love you, Macy.
Happy birthday, Macy.
Now take my picture.
Okay.